we are developing the application, we are creating the API, and that API need to be tested. So there are 9 ways to we can test the API. So this is we can test. So testing happen in 9 types of testing. That is smoke testing. That will only we can simply test the API after the development, it's working or not. Nothing will be breaking that API. That is smoke testing. We can test in smoke testing, right? After that comes is the functional testing. Functional testing will be test the functionality, what is the requirement, and compare the result. It's giving a proper expected result as per the requirement. Integration testing will check the multiple API combination end-to-end testing. So means independently API testing also we can check in functional testing and smoke testing, but in integration testing, between API we can check in integrated testing with end-to-end testing for that service itself. Regression testing, we can fix the whatever testing bugs will become, that we can fix in coming features, and if we can check with the existing behaviors, means we can compare if there is a already application with compare with that old application, and new application functionality will working as expected. And after we give a, this is load testing, means perform the load performance for the user. We can create a simulation to the different load data, and we can perform the testing with minimum data set. And after that trace testing, we can give a high load to the API to its functionality will work properly without any issue with the trace testing. And in security testing, we can test the available secure external, any threats will be happen, means any problem will comes in the any vulnerability, we can check with the security testing. UI testing, we can check the integration between API and UI with the UI testing. It's giving a proper input to proper output result. And first testing is testing the APIs, any unexpected data with input, unexpected input, means we giving a any input, not a proper input, and that will giving a proper response, means valid response or in to that end users, and it will not be crash any API. And this, we can check the vulnerability, is any